Hi everyone, welcome to GK Moon. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Pratibha Patil. Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state is the largest by area? Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state is the most populous? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar. Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who founded the Maurya Empire in India? Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Bindusara. Correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Which is the longest river in peninsular India? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Correct answer is Godavari. What is the national currency of India? Indian rupee, dollar, pound. Correct answer is Indian rupee. Which monument is known as the symbol of love in India? Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Qutub Minar. Correct answer is Taj Mahal. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai. Correct answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat. Correct answer is Punjab. To daily learn GK question and answer, subscribe now.